In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow or block camera access in Google Chrome in just a few easy steps. This is really useful if you want to control which websites can use your camera, whether you're joining a video call, recording content, or just improving your privacy and security online. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. From the drop-down list, select Settings. This will take you to the main Chrome settings page, where you can control privacy, security, and site permissions. On the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls you need for things like cookies, browsing data, and website permissions. Now, in the main window, click Site Settings. This is where Chrome keeps all of the permissions that websites can request, including camera, microphone, location, and more. After that, scroll down until you find the Permissions section. Under Permissions, click Camera. Here, you'll see the camera access options for Google Chrome. Now it's time to choose your default setting. If you want websites to ask before using your camera, select Sites can ask to use your camera. This is the most flexible option because Chrome will prompt you each time a website requests access. If you want to completely block camera access, select Don't allow sites to use your camera. This will stop all websites from using your camera or even asking for permission. That's especially helpful if you want maximum privacy or if you never use your camera in the browser. Once you choose the option that fits your needs, your setting is saved automatically. There's no extra button you need to click. And that's it. Now you know how to allow or block camera access in Google Chrome. It only takes a minute, but it gives you much better control over your privacy and your browser permissions. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.